Good afternoon, everybody. How are we doing? Andrew, good afternoon. Tristan, good afternoon. How are you? I will transition in a second when I work out. Oh, there we go. That'll do. Morning. So I've kind of changed the angle around. The main camera's now there, and I've got my overhead here. I believe that looks okay. Yeah, it's not too bad. I'm actually going to move my chat window over there so I can see it a bit better. And turn it that way so I can see as people type. That will be a bit better. Yeah, it's just a quick throw together stream. I wasn't 100% sure whether to do it or not, but I thought, well, I might as well while I was doing this. So, that big box, that one just there, has got my new laser cutter. If you saw my previous tweet on Twitter, you would have seen that would have seen a quick picture of it. I haven't fully unboxed it. I've literally just opened the top up to make sure it wasn't actually overly damaged. But yeah, that's pretty much. But I need to clear all this, most of this space off. So I'm trying to work out what prints I'm keeping, which I've kind of got here at the moment, and what prints I need to find homes for because I don't have any room. And I'm going to have even less room now I've got a laser cutter because these prints pretty much stayed on this. Oh, what have I done here? Pretty much just stayed here on this. You don't really want to see me though, do you? Let me. Well, that's a bit better. A bit better? That's a better camera angle, isn't it? But yeah, this table has been pretty much my 3D printing table, really, more than anything. So I'm keeping these ones. I don't know what I'm doing with them, to be honest. I've got mystery boxes all down that side. I'll rubbish all over the floor because I'm still doing mystery boxes and waiting for the final coins to be finished and I can package them all up. I don't have no room up there. I'm just going to have to try and plop them down around places. I don't know whether I'll get this running today because I don't have safety glasses and I don't particularly fancy my eyes being burnt out by a laser. I have no idea where I'm putting this stuff. Let's pop it down here for the time being. So yeah, hopefully you can all hear me okay. If the sound goes a bit wonky, let me know and I'll check it. Let's see. If I move this side, it'll be a bit better range. I'll be glad as and when I can get a new workshop and I can have a dedicated space for prints and stuff I want to keep and that. At the moment, I'm just going to have to put them all around my printers for the time being. How many viewers have we got at the moment? I have no idea, I can't see. 4 of you on here at the moment. It's just no room. All these vase prints. Because they're nice, easy test pieces. Slow it everywhere in a minute. One there. And what do I do with these? Anyone want one? Oh, a smaller one in there. Oh, that's now gone in there completely. Let's go sit for a minute. There we go. Nice clear top. I just think this was actually clear when I put that AM8 together. And now it ended up covered in 3D prints. Yield the video down. Seems okay. No, that seems okay. No, that seems okay. YouTube's getting my live stream. Right, so let's move the camera around a bit. That's a bit better. Does that look right? Don't think I can get it up there, no. I'm going to have to pull it straight out of it. Anyone still there? Can you hear me? Or is my internet playing up? YouTube seems to be getting it. Am I going to be able to get this out? That's the question. Polystyrene everywhere. Looks like it got a bit battered in transport. I can hear you. Video all okay? I'm only seeing the intro screen. The video's up, Tristan. I don't know what's going on. Yeah, loud and clear. That's good then. We do have wheels on this one. So I think this is a more updated version of the standard K40. Looks like that's everything out of there. Pop all this back in. Not really fancy. Styrofoam everywhere. So I bought this off Amazon. So it came off Amazon, was delivered today. Refresh videos back. Oh, that's good. Sorry, David. I'll pull those up. But it's got on the box customer returns, but it looks like it hasn't even been opened. So it's still wrapped and everything. So it did come out of the Amazon warehouse. So not quite sure. I don't really want to take a knife to it. Where is my knife? That's it. Evening, May. Yeah, I've read about that. The grounding wire is not actually connected properly. But I went with this one because it's got a few more buttons on the panel more than anything. Oh, it's actually got a hex Allen key screw holding it shut. Have I got the right Allen key to hand? That's the question. I just want to check the tube. The right size? That one is the right size. That's good to know. You can, yeah. I do need to check that this the grounding wire. That's not, but I'll get that to that in a minute. Just want to check the tube, make sure it's not cracked. Ooh, very nice. Looks okay. Doesn't look like to be any cracks or anything in it. Product number 5th of 6th 2019. Peak power 40 watts. Agreement power 39. Date of production was June. Looks alright. Doesn't have the plate on the end to be able to extend it, so that might not be. That'll probably have to be a actual full modification in the future. Let's tighten that back down. Yeah, I won't be powering this up today because I don't have glasses, and like I said, I don't really fancy losing my eyesight at the moment. But we're on wheels, so I'm wondering if this is a K40D, because I'm sure those have wheels on them. So it's a slightly upgraded version to the standard blue ones that you get. I actually saw some nice black ones on Alibaba last night. Hey, see you next tech, how are you? So let's... So, rubber tube. Put that back in. Right, let's turn this round. I'm envious. Well, I only got it by chance because I did a one-off IT job. Okay. Oh, it's got a nice catch on it, which doesn't really hold it very well. That'll do. So we've got a bag. What's in the bag? Hey Edutech, how are you? Oh, what have I got in here? Software, CD, some tape, silicone adhesive sealant, and we've got the fan. Ah, looks like it's a European unit. It's got European plugs on it. Okay. So fan. Oh, that's the aquarium pump. Super submersible pump, 2,000 litres an hour. Not too bad. But yeah, they've all got European plugs on it, so they're all going to have to be cut off and changed. I'm getting WhatsApp messages. Let me just check that. Where do we get? Print and test parts design, nice. There's my little USB. Nino Studio Labs, 15th of the 6th, 2019. It's not a bad little USB actually. long USB cable, 2.0, and then the cheap, nasty. Oh, let's move this forwards very carefully. Oh, looks like it's been a little bit crushed. That's fine, I'll be changing it anyway. Other than that, it looks alright. That will need cutting out. Not as bad as I thought it was, actually. Belt under there. Alright, so it's driven from the right hand side. Lighting switch. Oh, it's got a light in it. Power switch. So we've got temperature display, I assume that's for water, emergency stop, switch machine, and all that good stuff. There's no screw in the front, so that's no good. Hot glue everywhere. All looks fairly wide up, alright. It's got a Studio Labs board, so I don't know what that is. It's generic power supply, and that's all I can see. Can you all see that? Oh my god, who gave this nut a laser? Amazon did. I can't see. Oh, it's there on the side. I can't see whether that's set to 240 or not. It's European, it should be. Let's see if I can see with that. Oh no, I want camera. Good afternoon as well, Matt. Yep, we're set to 230. Wait if you can see that. So that's set right. It's definitely not. So yeah, I bought this off Amazon. It was sat in the Amazon warehouse, so what's that going to? Alright, that's going to a stepper control board via ribbon cable. Ribbon cable? Yeah. Oh, it does move. Oh, it's spring loaded. I see. So obviously all this will be coming out. That will be cut. Because that's the vent, so it'll be cut so I can use the full whatever I can use. But yeah, this will all come out eventually with all new. We'll have a new bed, new frame, and possibly a full gantry kit that goes from one side to the other. Controller board upgrade. I may go for. Hang on a sec. Going where?
Behind for a bit.
Oh, okay.
Bye.
Alright. Wife's off down to the neighbours. So that's the light. Yeah, K40 Whisper I will download. The bed is junk, yep. Yeah, that's what I'm going to plan on doing. But at the moment there's just polystyrene everywhere in here. I'm going to have to get the Hoover. Why is there a hole in the bottom? God knows about that. But yeah, there's loads of upgrades that can be done, and I will be doing them as time goes by. Definitely the replacement of the mirror mounts, better head. And so there's loads that can be done with this. I don't think I've got a UK plug around actually. But yeah, it seems to be missing that screw there. Yeah, I need to take the earthing strap off and do that. Yeah, it definitely needs a hoover out. There's polystyrene everywhere. All the ferrules into the... all the wires into the power supply though have all got ferrules on the end, which is nice. Yeah, I'm not too sure what this board is though. Yeah, the fan. I know the fan's junk. But there is a 3D printed design for it on Thingiverse, which I might print out and reuse the fan. And then I've got a water pump. Let's see if I can get a picture of this. Oh, what am I doing? So we get a picture of this control board. Really? Did I just do that? I didn't even know I could take a picture with the volume buttons. No, that's a crap picture. See if that one's any better. Yeah, that's better. Oh, it's an M2 Nano. That's what it is. So it's running 24 volt. Off of where? Alright, that's coming straight off of that power supply. Ribbon cable. What's the ribbon cable for? Oh, X motor. So X motor's on a ribbon cable and the Y motor's on a standard cable. Is that because this goes over into a breakout board over here? It's obviously got different things on it. Oh yeah, it's got optical end stop on it. Ah, and it breaks out into that there. Yeah, so it's got an optical end stop. I see. Feels like the wheels will feel a bit flat. Yeah, I read about a bouncy castle blower last night actually. I was reading through the groups. So yeah, this is pretty much where this is going to live. So yeah, I have an emergency stop, which is nice. I don't know what the switch machine is though. Power switch, lighting switch, laser switch. This will all get changed out as well. It's just standard plate on the back. I know the wiring for the back plugs are junk. Very poorly done. Well, to be fair, it's all got ferrules and everything on it. It's all been crimped down like that. But yeah, I think I may just end up going with an SKR in it with smoothie wear. Oh, camera's moving. So these wheels all have locks on them, so it doesn't roll around. Should have enough room out the back there to put stuff in that, so that should be pretty good. So I've got water pump, air pump, USB, power lead, USB socket, and junk in there. So yeah, that's pretty much laser cutter. That's pretty much where it's going to live. I may eventually actually just take those feet off actually. Well, they seem fairly responsive. I want to find a cable. I want to plug it in. No, the power supply's run away. I'm not going to fire the laser or anything. Let's see if I've got a spare cable somewhere. Not in that bag. So many bags all over the place with cables and whatnot. Have I got a... No, that's VGA. Extension cable. Oh, I've got a couple of IAC extension cables. Is that a plug? There's a plug, but it's a very small one. I've got a dedicated computer I'll be using on this as well, so I've got to get that out, build a Windows install for it. Right, let's see if I can poke this up so I can run it straight into a plug socket. Oh, can you still hear me alright? That's still going. Batteries haven't died, that's good. I pull this out a little bit. If I can pull it out a little bit. Should be able to. That's it. I will get a better better plug for this. Yeah, I'll do for time being. If my stream goes down, you know that I've plugged this in wrong. Right, that in there. See, temperature display, I don't know where that temperature is. So let's see if... I need a laser. Well, these are pretty cheap, but they're cheap for a reason. Right, nothing blew up yet. I assume that's got power. So, that's up. Nope, not that one. Ah! Oh, what'd that just do? So that must be in the power switch for the laser. Hang on. See if we can read the instructions, shall we? Hey Don, how you doing? User manual. Not very often I use one of these. Manual bag accessories, water pump, installation commission. Need to sort ground wire out. On off switch. Laser head will move back to top left corner after you turn this switch on. Oh, okay. So that's the main machine switch. So if I bring this back down and move that over there, and then let's move that, do that. Very nice. Alright, so that does that. So that's the main switch. That is the laser switch. Use control laser on and off. Make sure you press it down before you test the laser beam or do a job on machine. So that should, in theory, shut it off. That's fine. And then do that back on. So lazy power is set to 30%. 10%, 0. That's good. So test switch. So that's the laser switch, has to be on. So you can't really see because my things in the way. So laser switch. What about the lighting switch? Does that work? Oh, light switch works. That's good. Current regulation. That's what all this is for. Oh, that's a laser switch. Laser switch is used to control a laser on and off. Make sure you press it down before you test the laser beam or do a job on the machine. Current regulation. Laser test switch. Current indicator. Design software. I got to admit, it's not a bad menu actually. Alright, it's in black and white and it's on standard paper, but it's not too bad. Yeah. Okay, now we're not turning off. Now it's turned off. Okay, looks like that switch has stopped working. That's helpful. The relay's now just fused open. Brilliant. Lovely. So yeah, that's not working then. Yeah, definitely needs some work on the menu a little bit, but other than that, it's not too bad. So yeah, until I get some what's this? Oh, this is for the software, which I won't be using because I'll use this is all CorelDRAW. CorelDRAW 12 engraving manager. Corel laser. Fair enough. Which is obviously on that CD, DVD, which is, oh, at least it's rewritable, it's reusable. Pop that in there as well. So yeah, it works. Until I test the laser. I'll unplug that for the time being, because everything else will need to be sorted out and plugged in. So fan. I'm going to have to get some 90-degree pipes or something. Oh, those back ones don't lock. Yeah, it looks like that's stopped working. But yeah, that's where I've got to with that. Oh. Let's bring this back round here. Sorry. Oh. Bring this back round on that screen. Sorry. That looks a bit better. Let's minimise that. Minimise that. Bring that over there. Oh, that'll do. Hey, Chameleon. Biggest step is to align the mirrors. Who's a good guide? Yeah, I've seen a few guides. Let me go back to main camera. There we go. No, I'm not running that room yet. But yeah, so that's my new toy. That'll have its own computer and screen to run itself. So what did I say the board was? A Nano 2, isn't it? Yeah, I believe this is a K40D. I haven't seen any actual... Oh, actually, hang on. Oh no, the K40Ds are a little bit different. Looks similar. It's just, I suppose it's just a different variant of the K40. Yeah, it definitely needs upgrading and such. That will come in time. But yeah, I need to get the glasses first, because I don't fancy running it without. Digital in what sense, Andrew? Yeah, I'll close that one off now. I think that one is the C something. A40C. Images. I don't know. Variants. But no, I'll end up replacing... Well, that one looks very similar to mine. In fact, that one looks very similar to mine. Yeah, I think it's just... I think there's so many different types of K40s, it's ridiculous. It's a lot bigger than I thought it was going to be. Yeah. It's going to be a fun learning curve. Alright, Tristan, take care, man. Yeah, I'm going to wrap this up soon anyway. It was only a quick stream I unboxed that and see how everyone was doing. But yeah, it's now time to... I need to get the Hoover out and Hoover it up. It's covered in polystyrene, that's for sure. But yeah. Yeah, it's definitely a machine to tinker. That's why I mostly got it, so I can tinker around with it. But I'd love a Cohesion 3D board, but that's not going to happen. M2 Nano. M2 Nano. Laser controller. Oh wow, yeah, there's loads on here. You can actually buy a complete replacement board, the interface, and a new key and everything. Motherboard and dongle. Yeah, I want to eventually use Lightburn. Is the plan. But yeah, it's going to take some doing because there seems to be ribbon cables in this one. So I'm not too sure how easy it's going to be to... Well, it's got a ribbon cable. So a ribbon cable going round to the X. So for all the optical stops and everything. So... set up on this. Well, yeah, it's got the... Oh, nice one, Jim. Yeah, I'm getting that and I'm running out of space. That's pretty much where I've got to at the minute. I've still got a CNC to put together. So yeah, it looks like it's time for me to do some research, and because that cohesion doesn't use that. Oh no, wrong button. Cohesion 3D. It doesn't use a ribbon cable like that one. Does it? Oh, it does take a ribbon cable. Oh. Laser ribbon. Oh, I'm going to have to look at a couple more videos and then look at of the cohesion board. Because if it's a case that I can literally just drop it out and swap it in. Yeah, it says it's an M2 replacement, so... Maybe, I don't know. But anyway, that's going to be it for today. Just a quick stream unboxing that. There will be more stuff to come over time. So, hope everyone enjoys the rest of the day, and I will see you all in the next stream at some point. I don't know what the next thing is. I really don't know what I'm doing at the minute. But yeah, anyway, I hope everyone has a good day, and I will see you all. Yeah, I wouldn't mind a photon, Jim. But yeah, have a good day, everyone, and I'll see you all in the next one. Take care. Bye.